Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a fettuccine alfredo. You will need fettuccine pasta, ham, mozzarella cheese, salt, black pepper, oregano, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, olive oil, and just in case, all ingredients below in my info box. Start by bringing water to a boil in a pot, add salt, pasta, and cook according to the package instruction. In the skillet, add olive oil, then I'm gonna be adding my butter until melted. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour, whisk well, quickly add warm milk and don't stop whisk until smooth, okay? Let simmer over slow medium heat until thicken. Now I'm gonna be adding salt, black pepper, and oregano to taste. Mix well. And right now it's time to add the ham. Mix well. And please save some pasta water. The pasta water is full of flavor and can be used to thin out the sauce. You can use the pasta water or more milk if you want. And finally, I'm gonna be add my pasta to the mixture. Mix well and don't forget to add more pasta water or milk if you want. Now I'm adding the mozzarella cheese to the mixture. Mix well. And we are almost done. Garnish with the remaining Parmesan cheese. Add on top a fresh basil leaf, and this is the final result, guys. Please, if you like it, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, follow me on my social media, and I have some ham for my baby girl. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has own videos every Saturday, and she's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you soon. Bye-bye.